Doors opening. This is a Green Line train to Branch Avenue. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Fort Taunton. Step back, doors closing. Doors opening. This is a Norwich Line train to New Carrollton. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is West Falls Church. Step back, doors closing.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
This is a Yellow Line train to Mount Vernon Square, 7th Street, Convention Center. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Braddock Road. Step back, doors closing.
Step back, doors closing.
Doors opening. This is a Silver Line train to Ashburn. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Capitol Heights. Step back, doors closing.